Antarctica. From the lushness of the rainforest, we venture to the stark beauty of Antarctica, the coldest, driest, and windiest continent. Antarctica is a desert of ice, where immense glaciers and icebergs paint a scene of serene white and deep blue. It's a place of extremes, where the silence is profound, and the wildlife, including penguins and seals, thrives against all odds. Traveling here requires preparation. The summer months from November to March offer mild temperatures and accessible wildlife. Embark on an expedition cruise for a safe and immersive experience. Are you dreaming